so good. He's so good. There's no reason that Max should have been sent back.
No.
He doesn't care about the dogs. He doesn't care about toys. He just wants to have fun.
I think a lot of it had to do with the other dog in the house,
think it had a lot to do
and,
with it.
and maybe he was being protective, and he might have been provoked.
He may have been provoked. Something is wrong because Max has never shown any aggressiveness ever with anybody.
And you've had him playing with several other
I've
dogs.
had him play with 2 other dogs.
Right.
And nothing.
And now today he's hanging out with Casey.
He could care less. He runs with them. They run. He doesn't. See, he could care less. He's so sweet. He's so scared of the little dogs.
Yeah, he walked away.
That's good. He gives Sammy kisses. Good boy, Max. He's a good dog.
He really is.
Reminds me a lot of Buddy.
I said that too.
The attitude, personality. He's a lot calmer than Buddy, but he's a good boy. Casey, are you having fun?